multitasker. It features stainless steel blades, variable speed settings, and a range of accessories, allowing you to chop, blend, and whisk with ease. You can mix soft ingredients into liquids with the blender. Chop up vegetables, meat and cheese with the 500ml chopping bowl attachment. And whip up desserts with the stainless steel whisk attachment. The set includes a 500ml chopping bowl attachment and blending beaker, and features a removable blending attachment for easy cleaning. And everything is dishwasher friendly.
Have you had enough of messy, cumbersome and tricky kitchen work? Do you spend time cutting and chopping for what seems like hours? You've tried all those complicated kitchen devices, but it still doesn't cut the time? That's a thing of the past. Presenting the Veggie Cut Spiralizer from JML. With Veggie Cut, you can cut safely and easily in no time. Cut fresh cucumbers for crunchy salads, healthy apples for delicious cakes, and tasty homemade strudel. Or how about crunchy, tasty cabbage, red onions, or radishes? And you can also make a healthy raw vegetable platter using red beet, zucchini, white radish, kohlrabi, and carrots. Or use Veggie Cut to create a delicious cold cut platter from cold meat and cheese. And that's just the start. Fresh, appetizing salads, creative decorations for your soups, or healthy, delicious side dishes. Done in a flash and ready in seconds. With its extremely strong suction foot, Veggie Cut holds fast and secure on any kitchen surface without slipping. Simply slide in the smooth insert, put in the fruits or vegetables, and just wind. The results will not only delight you, but also your family and friends. Breakfast for the children will be tastier, simpler, and healthier with Veggie Cut. Veggie Cut comes with 3 different inserts, conveniently stored directly in the machine. The cutting insert is taken out and simply slides in. It's so easy to make potato strips for deep-fried potato balls, or creative deep-fried potato baskets for salad bowls for your party. Make your barbecue a culinary experience. Potato spirals, onion rings, radishes and salads of all kinds. Everything is prepared simply and quickly with the amazing Veggie Cut. Ever wanted to make great tasting, healthy, delicious soup without the need for the mess of pots and pans? Well, now you can with the Prolectric Soup Maker. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply add your ingredients, select your consistency, and in just 20 minutes, you can have great tasting, healthy, delicious soup. That's right, just add the ingredients, press, and forget. And those fresh ingredients will give you a delicious, healthy soup in just 20 minutes. Like carrot and coriander, leek and potato, chunky vegetable, and many more. And that's not all. The Prolectric Soup Maker can even be used as a blender, which means the purees, dips, and dressings are also as easy as 1, 2, 3. And it's so easy to clean too.
Drinks. Some are for get-togethers, some distinguish special occasions, and some can make a party. But none of them make their own tasty foam, until now. Foam Presso is the world's first device to automatically add creamy foam to your drinks. Use it for your beer, your soft drinks, even your cocktails. It easily mounts on any can. It's lightweight, waterproof, FDA certified, and USB rechargeable, making it the perfect companion for your get-togethers. We've spent the last 6 months perfecting Foam Presso, and with your help, we can bring that extra life to your beverages.
why don't we start crushing some ice and make some snow cones. So we also give you a little scooper here, which I forgot to mention. You just put the ice in the channel, and then I'm just going to start the machine up and start crushing ice. So you notice it turns off when I lift the handle up, so I can add more ice and the machine stops operating. Oops. Look and see how quickly we make quite a bit of ice. Just going to move it over here. Obviously that's removable. The other great thing about this scooper is that it helps you make your actual snow cones. So you just press, and if you think of it almost like when you're I live on the East Coast, so you know if you're gonna have a snowball fight, you want to pack it really nice and tight. Like so it keeps a nice shape. We happen to make a homemade syrup using one of our blenders, and you can just add that to the top to make it nice and flavorful and pretty.
Offering the latest technology in cooking surfaces. It's faster, safer, and even more efficient than gas or electric. It's called induction, and it's changing the way we cook. Secondly, induction is very responsive and extremely precise. The minute I turn off the burner, the water stops boiling. And just as quickly, I can turn it on and it's boiling again. This pan is magnetic, so when we turn the unit on, a magnetic field supplies heat energy directly to the pan and nothing else. Watch this. My sauce is boiling, but my dish towel doesn't burn because my dish towel is not magnetic. Notice also that if the pan is lifted from the burner, it stops working. With traditional thermal heat cooktops that are gas or electric, the burner heats first, then the pan, taking more time and energy, not to mention it's less safe.
It's the new Air Chef by Kambrook. It uses little to no oil, 1 tablespoon, and it's easy to use. All you need to do to get started is set your temperature, then your timer. We've got some set times and temperatures on the top here. It's got a removable drawer which will suspend the cooking once removed, with a 2.5 litre basket with air holes for even cooking and to allow the fats to drain away. We're ready to go. It's like having a fan-forced oven on your bench top. From roast pork belly to baked potatoes, grilled salmon, roast chicken, even things like desserts like baked cheesecake.
Our large cooking surface accommodates pancakes, eggs, and sausage for that perfect hearty breakfast, or burgers, steaks, even stir-fry for a satisfying dinner. The removable temperature control plug is easy to use and clicks when inserted correctly. The Sizzler has variable heat settings from 176 to 425 degrees, allowing you to cook foods to perfection and keep them warm. The heating component was designed for even heat distribution, with no hot or cool spots on the surface, so all foods will be cooked evenly. The ceramic cooking plate has a titanium-enhanced nonstick coating, which, along with the diamond-patterned surface, makes the unit both durable and easy to clean. All parts disassemble for cleaning, and the body guard and cooking plate can be immersed in water.